Hi everyone! This is me in Busan! Hello! Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Nandito kami, nasa Lotte,
Loteria.
Loteria. Nagfa-fast food for breakfast. We're going to Busan.
We're going to ride the train to
Yeah,
Busan.
this is what I got, guys. This from Loteria. Chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets. And then a bacon egg. Wait lang. Let's open. Ay! May ganito pa pala. Tadaan! Bacon egg sandwich.
That butter bun?
Bacon egg. And then, coffee. This one's from McDo naman. Kaya nga.
Bili ako.
Bili ka.
May share ka sa train?
Ay, baka magtayo ka sa store. Ayan. Mac Cafe. Iced vanilla latte. Gusto ko sana yung
May Americano.
Americano lang pero napapaitan kasi ako. Gusto ko magpaka maganda ngayon. So, eto muna. So, let's eat, guys. Hindi ko pa alam. Okay. Mag-eat na kami. Tapos mamaya pupunta na kami sa Busan. Bye. It's a Monday morning. It's 10:10 a.m. LRT to Tayuman tayo. Nasa train to Busan tayo. What an upgrade. Me. Me and me. Ma. Me versus me. Oh my gosh, I'm so kilig. Wala tayo sa Maynila. Hindi tayo nakikipagbakbakan sa LRT. Nandito tayo sa train to Busan. We're going to Busan, guys. Okay, bye. Mananood lang ako ng When Life Gives You Tangerines. Oh my gosh. Jimin, Jungkook, I'm here! In Busan, right now. Hello. This is a very spacious bed for us. See? And then vanity. With me. And me again.
I'm so excited to go out.
I'm in Busan! Hyundai Beach at my back. Oh my god. This is Busan, guys. I love it super. So pretty. I wish Manila streets is this walkable. Tingnan nyo, may nagra-run. And it's in the middle of the street. Sobrang ganda, as in. Sobrang ganda, right?
Mag-stay dito ng mga 15 days.
Yeah, I
Sorry,
know.
Seoul. Pero okay naman siya. Pero
Sobrang look, naglalakad kami in the middle of the streets. Yung mga cars nasa gilid. Ito lang talaga yung pangarap ko. Walkable streets. Please lang. Walkable streets. Tapos by the beach. Alam mo yung pagpagod ka from work, pupunta ka sa beach after. How relaxing is that? Parang hindi ka na
place
Hindi ka na
namin is just 2
magre-resign.
minutes away from
the beach. Yeah, that's the beach, oh. The back. Tapos,
talaga!
I know. Grabe. Tingnan nyo kung gaano kalaki yung streets dedicated for the
Ito yung gusto
people.
kong mangyari sa
See?
Philippines.
Ito lang yung sa cars. Like,
Dami
deserve.
naman sinasabi, di ba? Nagsasapawan kami dalawa because it's
Deserve. Like, cars don't belong here. Parang ganon.
I belong
Ganon.
here. The cars don't belong here.
Ah.
I belong here.
Parang it forces people to move. Like, kung ako to, like, after,
Wala.
tatakbo lang ako ng tatakbo dito. What the fuck?
Gusto ko na dito sa Busan.
Tapos, imagine, after nyo to,
Talaga.
ang dami na natin sinasabi.
Kaya nga, kasi ganun siya kaganda talaga. Dito siya ma-hype.
So,
Ba't ako mag-aaway?
Example, tatakbo ka, tapos after mo tumakbo, nandiyan na yung mga, samgyupsalan. Gago.
May olive yan.
Yeah, exactly. It's so nice here. I love
Bili
it.
na kami ng mga sayo ko talaga
Lisa, can you teach me Japanese? I say hi, hi.
Samgyupan.
Oh, hanap lang kami sa samgyupan. But,
Kasi ayaw namin maging hungry.
yeah. Look at the olive yang, oh.
Maybe
Ay, shit.
doon tayo. Yung malaki. Yung malaking samgyupan.
Yan, olive yang, mamaya ka sa amin.
Mamaya ka dyan.
But,
Tapos,
I wish I could
ang
live in a
gagawin
place
namin
like
today
this.
is kakain kami ng samgyup and then we'll go to the olive yang and then magpo-photo booth kami.
yeah.
And
Yeah,
then
yeah.
we'll walk to the beach and then maybe mag-underground shopping kami.
Yeah, Somyun. Ah, Somyun!
Yun nga!
Kasal layo.
It's 40 minutes away from here. Ayan, Korean style barbecue. Let's check this one and then
Okay.
doon.
Parang mas gusto ko dun.
Korean
Let's see,
ito,
let's see.
for yung-
Oh my gosh. Very walkable city. I love it.
Uy, Doreen, ang ganda.
Maybe we can sit outside na lang. So inspiring na mabuhay. Wait lang, siya yung kasabay namin kanina sa na hindi siya nakasakay. But anyway, kung ganito lang naman ako titira, inspired na ako mabuhay. Magtatrabaho na lang ako ng matino, tapos hindi na ako magrereklamo sa buhay kasi masaya ako.
8,000 lang.
Ha?
8,000 lang.
O, 8,000 lang daw.
Ito,
Dito na lang daw
Korean
kami kakain.
barbecue.
Paano mo
Lord,
nalaman?
thank you.
Ayan, okay. Kakain na kami, guys. Oh! Ito.
Look, guys. May pork belly.
Ayan, pwede na to.
Dito na lang.
Kamida. Hi, tapos na kami mag-order. Dami namin in-order.
Sabi sobrang saya dito.
Yeah. So, wait. They serve you like this. And,
This is rice. Uy, yung rice.
yeah, rice. And then, syempre yung sauce. Tapos mga side dishes. Only
Ito,
side
ang sarap na naman nito
dishes.
talaga.
Yeah. Magwo-walk ka.
Ang
Tapos
mura na-
magsisamgyup
di pala siya
ka.
mura, pero Okay na din.
Hindi mo kasi niisip ang pera pagka nandito ka. Kasi nandito ka na eh.
Oo.
Shit, yun yung favorite ko. Oh my God, this is the dream. Like, really the dream.
Ito lang,
Dessert.
nabubuhay kami sa heat pack. Ay, asang heat pack?
Hindi pa lumalawag yung imiinit yung heat pack ko. Mas mainit na yung ulo ko kaysa sa heat pack. Nakakapikon. Sana yung peke yata yung nabili kong heat pack. Ito na. This is the dream. Ilan yung order natin? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's everything we're gonna eat. Kulang pa yung beef. Wait lang. Focus ko. Wait lang ha. This is a pork. Another pork. The beef. And then another beef that we're gonna devour. Okay? Oh my gosh. Grilling. Guys, part talaga ng itinerary. Olivia! Let's go shopping! Okay, let's go. Papasok na tayo sa Olivia. Oh my God. This is heaven. Okay? Siguro mag-focus na lang muna ako sa pagsha-shopping, no? Okay, guys. BRB. I'm gonna focus sa pagsha-shop. This is heaven. Oh my gosh. Wow! Ah, ito yung viral na bagel chips. Magbibili ako isa, tapos itatry ko. If masarap, bibili ako madami. Oh my God! Okay, magpo-focus na ako mag-shop. Bye! Sobrang ganda daw niyan. Grabe, ang sarap mag-skincare, shop here. Nag-search ako kagabi ng mga, what skincare to buy in Olive Young. And then, meron akong screenshots, tapos sinanap ko siya. So, nagsasource ako kung ano yung price nila. Kasi magbabudget lang tayo. Hello, hindi tayo ganun kayaman. So, hindi ko alam kung anong pipiliin ko. But, come with me as I shop here in Olive Young. Si ate girl mo nag-Olive Young. Sorry yan, hindi mo kaya. Okay, watch me. Watch me buy all this. Wow. Guys, I'm about to check out. Ito na po yung current situation ng bag ko ngayon. Ay, ayan. Ayan na po tayo ngayon. So, magbabayad na tayo. Sobrang mahal na mahal ko yan si ate. Ate, mahal na mahal kita kung alam mo lang. So, magbabayad na tayo sa kanya. Nakapila siya. Kasi, nagtatanong ako sa kanya nung, mamaya ko ikikwento, basta magbabayad na tayo kay ate. I love you, ate. I trust you with my life. You're the best.
Yes. Wow, ito mo 7,000. Two. I need two more? Yes, two.
Two. Hello. Okay. From how much?
Need a pack?
Yeah.
That is extra charge 100 won.
Okay, magbayad na tayo, guys.
Basta natin si ate.
Passport ng Pilipinas.
감사합니다.
So fun. Happiest I've been. Can I take a video with you? Can I take a video with you? Hi. Uh-huh. Thank you. Thank you so much. You're the best. She's the best, guys.
Sobrang mura ng sunscreen. Okay, magkape na daw tayo.
Magkakape na after gumastos. Yay! Marami na po akong skin
Tagal po
care.
namin doon para mga isang oras kami.
2 hours siguro. Hindi,
hours,
kasi
oo nga.
nag-spend pa kami ng time
talaga.
doon sa isang, Olive Young. Eh, mas crowded doon.
Ah,
Okay, thank you. Mas maganda dito sa isang Olive Young.
dito ang tahimik.
Tapos may freebies. Kung susumahin, mas mura
Mas
pa
mura
rin
din talaga
here
dito.
kasi dahil sa tax refund. So,
Nag-hoard ako ng sunscreen kasi
yeah.
yun yung kaya.
Feeling ko bukas bibili pa ako. Uy, ano ba? Hindi, ayoko dyan. Uy, hindi ako. Tanan niya, nagbe-break siya ng batas. Tumatawid siya ng ano.
I love you. Olive Young, number 1.
Ano tayo? I don't know. Basta, I bought strawberry something. So far, so good. Night 1 in Busan. Busan, I love you so much. Hi, good evening. It's currently 9:30 p.m. and I'm alone. This is my alone time. And guess where I'm at? It looks like I'm in a city, but in reality, oh my gosh. I'm on a beach right now. Wow. This is the Hyundai Beach. I'm gonna zoom it. Kung ano man yan. But, look at that. buildings, and then by the beach. I mean, wow. Imagine nag-work ka after a long, tiring day at work. Tapos magsuspend ka ng time dito sa beach. This is my dream. The city, ayan lang talaga yung city, literally. Grabe. Look at that. Wait, I'm gonna video this. See? Sobrang saya. Ang saya dito sa Busan. Like, 10 times much better than Seoul. If I'm coming back to Korea, I'm gonna spend more time here. Tas sa Seoul is 1 day lang. Ganon. Ganon siya kaganda. Tas parang, wala akong ginawa the whole day ko here. Day 1 ko here sa Busan. Just admiring the city. The city is so nice. I get why they're advertising Busan. Kasi, it's pretty. It's so pretty, promise. It's so pretty. Wow. Siguro, sa morning, ang ganda nito. What if I watch the sunrise? Does the sunrise here? I don't know. I'm gonna find out tomorrow. But, see? The building and then the beach. Wow. This is the life I want. Tapos naamoy mo yung sea breeze. Oh, naiyak ako. I want this life. I'm so happy I'm experiencing this. This is the beach. And then turn around, it's the city. Wow. Amazing. So amazing. Alam mo, first, apa ko pa lang dito sa city na to. I'm so in love na agad. Like, wait lang ah. Oh my God. Dream lang to, few years back. But now, making it happen. Nung nag-concert yung BTS sa Busan, I didn't make it kasi wala akong pera nun. But now, oh my God! Katuwa lang na how before, no one's traveling and now you're traveling, experiencing life in another country. This is the city that I love and I want to be in. I want to live here. Like, I just want a walkable city talaga. I just wanna say how grateful I am of this experience. As may mga scooters na available. Look at that. I just don't know how to navigate that. But, ayan, I'm walking at night. Mag-isa lang ako to enjoy this, all of this. Parang magkukuha ako ng photo here. Let's see. I'm gonna walk. How much kaya? Tingnan natin. It's so huge. Hindi ko alam paano. Paano ba? Magkano ba? It's just, premium forecut. Ito? Forecut? Steer frame, original frame, vertical frame. I don't know. Sige, let's try. Meron akong banknotes dito. Wait. Should I get? Huwag na. Ako na lang. Ako na yung Ako lang to. Ganong levels. Sige, wait. Walang tao. Lipat tayo dun sa isang photo studio because naubos yung time niya. Dito na lang ako sa kabila. Ayoko ng blue. I want the white. Wait. Sige, dito na nga lang. Okay, dito na lang tayo sa isang studio. Oh my gosh, it's gonna start. We're gonna start here. English. And then photo signature. Regional. Post in. It's 4,001. Okay. Discounted siya. Oh my God. Okay, that's so good. Get my selection. There you go. That's me. Okay, so part of it is my Photo booth photos. Uwi na ako after this. I'm happy. I have day one photos here. I'm gonna do it tomorrow again. Discounted yung isa, so yay! I'm so happy. Teka lang doon, nagpo-focus kami. Day 2 done.